presenting a pre-owned 2019 Kia Optima EX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 43,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.